Hello, welcome back. Today I had to harvest this muskmelon earlier than planned because birds had started pecking at it. Normally, I would have left it on the vine for a little longer, but I didn't want to lose the fruit. The best part, even though it was harvested early, the muskmelon turned out to be amazingly sweet, juicy, and full of flavor. That's the beauty of growing organically. Healthy soil and natural farming can produce delicious fruit without relying on chemicals. That is what I believe. Sometimes nature surprises us in the best way. Like if you enjoy organic farming, gardening, and real harvest moments, don't forget to like, subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.
ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ತೆಗಿ